This is The Big Story presented by HerbChambers.com.
I'm Mike Bello, Deputy City Editor at the Boston Globe. A bombshell at the federal court in Boston. One of the most well-known defense attorneys, Bob George, indicted on money laundering charges by a federal grand jury, came down this morning. All kinds of reaction. Bob George appeared in court this morning. The charges, George is charged with conspiring with a witness who was cooperating with the Drug Enforcement Administration to launder $225,000 in drug proceeds between 2009 and 2011. The federal documents say George hatched the scheme with a former client. Among parts of the scheme were to launder around $100,000. In return for laundering that money, they'd pay a fee of $20,000. The checks were made out to a dummy corporation, which was run by the Drug Enforcement Administration. All the transactions, all the conversations apparently were recorded by federal investigators of the Drug Enforcement Administration. Bob George was a key defense attorney in the trial of Christopher McGowan in the Krista Worthington murder case. McGowan was convicted of those charges. He's been involved in a number of appeals. George has also represented a number of organized crime figures. He's a fixture in the defense attorney community. Everyone knows him, very popular with the media as well. Interesting, Globe reporter Milton Valencia reports that it looks like George mouthed the words "stupid" when the charges were read in court today. His lawyer, Rosemary Scapicchio, told reporters that she feels her client has been targeted by the federal government for his good work as a defense attorney. She says prosecutors who are involved in misconduct are not punished. So it was kind of interesting, the reaction, but George has hired two high-profile attorneys to defend him, and he's going to fight this to the fullest extent.